This will be a demonstration of the installation of the Windows Matrix SDK and API. This is for the Matrix series cards for both ARINC 818 and Hotlink 2 Video. And hopefully Windows will bring up the auto run and run setup automatically for you. If it does not, you can always run setup.exe from the disk. Here it seems like it actually worked okay. At this point, allow it to run. We can turn off that. The first thing you will see is that it wants to install Redistributable, which is all the files that are necessary to run the software for our boards and some of the included test applications. So go ahead and install that. And that takes a little bit of time sometimes, so be patient on that. Once that installs, the setup should start normally. And you will see these following screens come on here. Just click next to continue. You need to read this license, of course, and accept the terms of the license agreement. At this next point, if you purchased an SDK, the software development kit, which does require an unlock code, you will check this box here. If you did not, you need to just install the base drivers and applications that come along with the board for free. And in this case, we will go ahead and select this. The next screen is going to require you to enter the unlock code. And at this point, your summary shows that we are installing this on a Windows 7 32-bit machine. This is the full SDK. All of our installations go to the Great River Tech Matrix directory. And this is what it looks like when it's installing. It's putting all the files into that directory. Some of the supporting files, the executables. Go ahead and click Install Driver anyway, because this is safe. And this will try and go in and install the driver now, the kernel level drivers, into the system. Sometimes this can take a while, so be patient. This one's going fairly quickly. It just depends. Sometimes it can take up to 10 or 20 seconds. You're going to go through about 2 of these where it's going to ask you to proceed. And at this point, you must restart your computer. If you did not put your hardware in first, at this point, click restart, but go ahead and power it off and put in your hardware, your Matrix board. It doesn't matter if you put in the Matrix board originally or if you do it after the install. Both will work. Once the computer is rebooted and the applications are installed, you can see that in the Great River Tech Matrix directory there are a couple of applications. The Matrix ARINC 818 test is the standard application that comes with the 32-bit install. It is not included under 64-bit Windows. We'll be working on a new 64-bit application. If you did install the SDK, notice you have the code directory, which has all of your libraries, your examples, and in the root you do have your documents directory that has all of your users manuals, tech notes. You can either go here and run this test application. It should show up under Great River Tech. And if this comes up, that means you do not have a header file format yet. So it's just going to use the defaults. That's okay. And there you go. That's what the application looks like. Finally, to go look at what this board does look like in the control panel, go to your system settings, go to device manager, and you should see the GRT devices. We should have our kernel driver, and for each Matrix card there should be this entry. And if you double click on this, it says the device is working properly. If things do not look like this on your PC, something went wrong on the installation. Usually running the install again will fix this. Sometimes you have to uninstall it, then rerun it, and Windows can be a little finicky on this, but we can always get it working. If all else fails, please call technical support. I do hope this video has been helpful. Thank you.